Hello. As the leader of custom blockchain solutions for aerospace and automotive manufacturing supply chains, SyncFab is proud to participate in the Best of SMX, a virtual event that will be bringing the newest manufacturing technologies right to your computer, tablet, or smartphone. We will be discussing manufacturing blockchain solutions as key to digital transformation, how digital manufacturing platforms can streamline procurement to save time and resources, learn how blockchain technology can be used for security and supply chain efficiency, and grasp the idea of incentivizing local manufacturing for economic development initiatives through blockchain technology custom built for hardware manufacturing supply chains. I can't wait to share it with you. Register for the Best of SMX to join us.